Your Google Pixel might be letting you oversleep and you won't even know until it's too late. Dozens of Pixel 9 users are reporting their alarms either don't go off, fire late, or mysteriously turn themselves off. Imagine missing work because your phone betrayed you. It started with a flood of reports on Reddit, people waking up to find their alarms either never sounded or showed unable to fire errors. Some even found their alarms disabled completely. Here's the weirdest part: some users think Google's Gemini AI might be the culprit. Ask it to turn off one alarm, and it might be shutting them all down. Talk about overachieving. Others suspect the latest clock app update is to blame. But here's the scary truth: Google still hasn't confirmed what's causing this potentially life-disrupting bug. Until this gets fixed, set a backup alarm. We're talking real consequences here: people missing flights, job interviews, and important meetings because their Pixel decided to take a day off. Are you affected? Drop a comment. Woke up if your alarms work. Slept in if you've been victimized by this bug. Smash that follow button to stay updated on tech glitches that could ruin your morning.